So what's up everyone? Thanks again for tuning in on the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and Megan is behind the camera. And as we did also from the previous episode, we're gonna do like some postcard with Megan in South Africa along the way so we can all get a little bit of that vibe through this video to you. In this video, it's all about our latest DECON product, the DECON Lightning Wet Coat. The DECON Lightning Wet Coat is a sprayable siloxane based formula that creates crazy hydrophobic capabilities on any type of paint, plastic or glass. Now to get the max performance out of this bottle on your paint, it needs a certain kind of application. We've tested many applications and the best one is to have a slowly running water stream, spray it into the water stream, and into that water stream it immediately creates that crazy beading off of your paint or your glass or your plastic on your car. If we would spray, wait a little, then rinse, then wait a little, and then wipe with a drying towel, we might create a little bit of a shimmer on the paint that's not so beautiful to see, and then you have to wash your car again to get that shimmer off of the paint. So it's always better to do it the first time right. Super important is step one. Always apply DECON Lightning Wet Coat on a wet surface. Like this. And we see this Audi has not have any protection at all on the paint. So I'm gonna have my slowly running water stream and I will spray DECON Lightning Wet Coat into the water stream like this. Boom! Beading out of a bottle without any streaks and without any shimmer on the paint surface. So, will it also work on glass too? Let's wet it up. Spray into the stream of the water hose. Yeah, here we go. And how crazy would the beading be on vertical parts? Wet it up. Hardly any protection there. Spray into the stream. Can we do it on wheels too? Wow, 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 wow. Wow. What's wow in African, Megan?
Wow.
Sounds good. Wow. So I'm super impressed. We've been playing with this formula for quite a while and to get it streak free. So the car isn't polished or whatever, we just washed it before and we let it wet. So you can see the difference in the before and the afters. But how good does this bead off? Really, really nice. Stick around to the end to see the results. I always forget about that. So, but this is a short video. I hope this is a very clear application. So this is how you use DECON Lightning Wet Coat, I think, to the best. So you get the maximum performance out of the formula on your paint, on your windshield, on your wheels. With low pressure, it's beautiful. With high pressure washing, it's insane. It's completely spotless and streak-free by doing this with this method. I think everybody will love this kind of product. So also perfectly usable if you take your detailing goodies and go to the local wash box. Just wash and protect in 1 or 2 easy steps. So really, really good. Super important, apply on a wet surface. We've noticed that if we wash circa 4 to 5 washing cycles, then the paint protection will fade away after the 4th, 5th one. So then it's time for a new application of a wet coat. You can also do it every week if you think, hey, this smells nice, or it makes super hydrophobic capabilities. That's also very cool. We hope this video helps you to understand DECON Lightning Wet Coat better, not only by product formula, but also by application, just as important, to get these crazy kind of beading results also on your vehicle. If you got some questions, write them here below. Email info@target24.eu, or chat with us over the live chat function or over the WhatsApp function with the customer service. Just drop your questions, we'll be happy to help with everything detailing related. While you're here, please also hit the like button, as well as hitting the subscribe button for the Wheeler Details YouTube channel, as well as hitting the bell icon so every time Megan does an upload, you get notified ASAP. So that's it for now. I love this product. Tell me what you think about it.